Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve day 27 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today I am going to solve problem number 713, that is subarray product less than k. So in this problem we have given an array of integer nums and an integer k, and we have to return the number of contiguous subarray where the product of all the elements in the subarray is strictly less than k. Okay, so let me explain this code using one example here. So let me pick this example. So this is example one given to us. Okay, so in this problem we are going to use a sliding window technique. Okay, so this is a nums array given to us. So these are the elements in our nums array. Okay, so let me draw it like this. So first element is 10, and after that we have 5, and after that we have 2, and after that we have 6. Okay, and k value is given to us as 100. Okay, so we need so let's do one thing here. We are going to use two pointers, okay, I and j. So okay, let's do one thing. So this is my left pointer, okay, this is my left pointer, and this is my right pointer. So both are right now at this position. Okay, and I have to take the product. So initially let's take the product as 1, because if I multiply any number with this one, so that's itself, okay, that number there will be no impact on that number. Okay, so 8 into 1 is 8 only, 2 into 1 is 2 only. Okay, so that's why I'm taking product as 1 initially. And after that now I'm going to check. First of all, this is a number given to us. Okay, this is the number given to us. Okay, so here my right, what is the size of this nums array? So right now the size of nums array is 4, right? So n is equal to 4 right now. Okay, so I am going to run one while loop, and in the while loop I am going to run one while loop. Okay, and in the while loop I am going to check whether my right, this right is less than n. Okay, and if this is the case, okay, then inside this while loop I am going to get the new product. So product is going to be product into the number the element which is at index r. Okay, the number which is at index r. Okay, so right now if I multiply this 10 with the 1, so my product is going to be 10 only right now, right? So if I multiply this number 10 with my product, so my result will be 10, and this 10 is less than 100 because k is given to me as 100, right? K is given to me as 100, so this 10 is less than 100. Yes, it's true. So I have to increment the count. Okay, so I have to find the number of subarrays count. Okay, so I am going to write here as 1. Okay, so here I am writing the counts, and here is the product. Okay, so right now the product is 10, and after that now my r moves to next position. Okay, so now my r is at this position. So this 10 into 5 is 50, and 50 is less than 100, right? 50 is less than 100, so 10 into 5 is equal to 50. 50 is less than 100. Yes, this is true. But this time how much I am going to add here in this count? I am going to add 2 now. Why I'm going to add 2 here? Okay, so last time when my left and right both are at this position, then this is the only subarray that I have found. Okay, now this time this is a subarray, right, from left to right. So left to right this is a subarray. So 10 into 5, and there is one more subarray 5, right, because 5 is also less than 100, right? So this time I have to add 2, one this one and one this one, so total 3 subarrays still here. Okay, then after that my r reaches at this position, and now 10 into 5 into 2 is nothing but 100, right? And 100 is not less than 100 because we need strictly less than 100, right? So 1052 is not possible. So here this note is given that 1052 is not included as a product of 100, is not strictly less than 100. Okay, so 1052 is not strictly less than 100. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to move my left pointer to the next window. Okay, so now since I am moving my left pointer to this position, so I have to remove I have to remove this from this 10 from my product. Okay, so for that I am going to write here one more inside this one while loop. While if my product, okay, while my product is greater than equal to k, okay, if my product becomes greater than equal to k, then in that case I have to divide this product, right? I have to divide this product with nums of left this time. Okay, because left pointer is this one, my left pointer is moving forward, so I have to divide my product with this 10. So now, okay, so this is what I'm going to do, and my left pointer is also moving forward, so here I am writing l plus plus. Okay, l plus plus. Okay, so I hope that this is clear. Okay, so while my product is greater than equal to k, then product I'm dividing it with nums of left, because my left pointer is moving forward, because I'm shrinking the window here, right? I'm shrinking the window here, because if I include all three elements, then the product is 10, product is 100, then in that case I don't need to include that subset, right? I don't need to include that sub array. Okay, so this is done. So okay, so here one more thing from the last time. Okay, so here my count is 1. How I'm going to keep track that here I'm getting the count as 1, here I'm getting the count as 2 when 10 and 5 are included? So can I do it like this? Can I write it like this? Right, this right pointer was here. Okay, when I was taking this particular sub array 10 comma 5, then my r was here, right? R was here, left was here. So right minus left plus 1 will give me the count, right? This will always give me the count, right? How many sub arrays are there from between left to right? Okay, so I'm going to use this formula. Right was here, left was here, so 1 minus here, what is the position? 1 minus 0 plus 1, so total 2. Okay, so that is why I'm getting 2 here. So you will get more clear idea now. I'm moving forward, so I have shrunk the window, so now my window is starting from here. Okay, from 5 and 2. So right now my left is at this position, my right is at this position. So now my right is going to move forward. Okay, once this is done, I shrink now my total sum is 10. Okay, and I am going to move forward, but this time, see, this time when I move the left here, so again there is one more subset, right? This time what's the subset? 5 comma 2, right? So 5, I am going to add this one as well. Okay, 5 comma 2, and this 2 itself, right? I have to include 2 itself, so right now 2, and we get the formula right here, right? R is 2, L is 1, 2 minus 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2 only. Okay, that is why I'm getting 2 values. Okay, so this is done. So this is a new subset. After that my R is going to move forward. Okay, R is at this position, so 5 to 6 can we include? So what is the sum? 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 6, 60. So yes, 60 is less than 100, right? So now how many subsets I am getting here right now? So if I apply this formula, R minus L, R is at this position. Okay, this is nothing but 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 index. So 3 minus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, right? So 3. So am I getting 3 subsets here? So let's see. So 1 is 5 to 6 is the, okay, 5 to 6, right? And 2, 6 is there. Okay, and 6 is also there. Okay, yes, I am getting here 3 subsets. So now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So total 8 subset, right? Total 8 sub arrays. So my output is 8 itself, right? So I have to apply this loop. Okay, so while r is less than, while my right is less than number, total number of elements in this nums array, product is going to be product into nums r, and if my product is greater than k, then in that case I have to shrink the window from my left side and increment it, otherwise if this is not the case. Okay, so this is a while loop inside that if my product becomes greater than. Okay, but after that I have to perform this value count is equal to this formula, count is equal to right minus left plus 1 and right plus plus. Okay, simple. This is what I'm going to do, and in the end I have to return count. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with this solution. So now let me write the code, and code is going to be very simple. I'm going to write the same story. Okay, so here just tell me one thing. If k is 1, okay, if k is 1, then in that case what we have to return? Okay, so if there is any number present here, okay, let's say if 1 is there and k is 1, so then also we are not able to find any number, right? Because we need strictly less than k. Okay, if k is 1 and only 1 is there, okay, then 1 into 1 is 1 and k is also 1, then in that case also we don't have to return any count. Okay, because we need number strictly less than k. Okay, so here I am writing one base condition. If my k is less than equal to 1, then in that case I have to just return 0. Okay, so this is done. And after that, let's get the number of elements in my nums array. So nums dot length, and I have to declare int left is equal to 0. Okay, left, I'm taking left as left is equal to 0, and take right as initially right is also at this index, so right r is equal to 0, and product I have to take in the starting as 1. Okay, then I'm going to run one loop while my right is less than n. Okay, then in that case product is going to be product into nums of my right. Okay, and in the while loop, if my product is greater than equal to k, then in that case I have to shrink my left window and I have to remove the value. Okay, so to do that, p is equal to p product divided by nums of left, right, nums of left. So this is done. Okay, so I can directly write it like this: p, right, nums of l, and now my left window is going to shrink, so l plus plus. And also after this I have to take the care of count as well. So initially my count is 0 only, so let me take a new variable int c is equal to 0 and c is equal to right minus left plus 1, and increment the right r plus plus, and in the end just return c. Okay, so code is very simple, right? Let's run the code. Okay, so let's see what's the issue here. So here out is 3, but expected is 8. Okay, so let's see what's the mistake here. P is equal to p into nums of r. Okay, while p is greater than equal to k, p is equal to p divided by nums of left plus plus, and c is equal to, okay, so here c is equal to c plus. Okay, so I can write it like this: plus is equal to count plus r minus l plus 1. Okay, so this is how we have to take the count. We have to add all the counts. So now right now all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit the code. So our solution is accepted, and the runtime is also very good, 4 milliseconds, and it beats 100% of users with Java. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.